Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today, through online platform, I would like to share my views on the topic that how an activated carbon filter works in the water or wastewater treatment system. क्या आप जानते हैं कि जो हमारे एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन फिल्टर्स होते हैं वो जनरली एम्प्लॉय किए जाते हैं उस प्रोसेस के अंदर जो हमें ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स या फिर जितने किसी भी वाटर में अगर हमें क्लोरीन को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए मेथड्स होते हैं. Thus, with the help of activated carbon filters, we can make it possible. And not only this, with the help of this filter, we can eliminate many organics in the potable water such as humic or fulmic acid, and it also prevents chlorine in the water from chemically reacting with the acids and forming many other reactions. Now let us discuss that how it works. बेसिकली जो हमारे एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन फिल्टर्स हैं दे आर यूजली यूज्ड इन द वाटर एंड द वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट पर्पसेस in two different ways and in differently. For example, if it is working for a chlorine removal, then activated carbon may be used to remove chlorine with a little degradation or damage to the carbon. Dechlorination occurs rapidly and flow rates are typically high. However, this process requires an extensive amount of surface area, and organics in the water will eventually fill up and block the pores of the carbon. Ultimately, the activated carbon filter will need to be replaced as its ability to dechlorinate water will slowly decline. One advantage to using activated carbon is its low operating cost, and virtually it is fail-safe operation once it is installed. Do you know that there is one disadvantage, but that is the chlorine is removed from the topmost layer of the media, but the activated carbon provides a damp environmental ideal for the growth and purification of bacteria. Bacteria can cause problems, but by using different techniques we can eliminate it by using carbon in a pre-treatment to the reverse osmosis. The second working of activated carbon filter is removal of organic matter. As water passes through an activated carbon filter, the organic particles and the chemicals are trapped inside through a process known as adsorption. The adsorption process depends on 5 key factors. The one is the physical properties of the activated carbon, that is the surface area or the pore size distribution. The second is the chemical makeup of the carbon source, that is the amount of hydrogen and oxygen. Third, the chemical makeup and the concentration of the contaminant. Fourth, the water pH and the temperature. And fifth and the last is the length of the time the water is exposed to the activated carbon filter, that is it is called as the empty bed contact time or EBCD. As you know that what are the working of an activated carbon filter, then I think that you all believe that using an activated carbon filter will give us the benefits and it will can help us in treating the water in the most best and the efficient way. If you have any more queries regarding the activated carbon filter, then feel free to contact Netsol Water Solutions at any time. Our services are open for 24/7. We are here for you only and to solve all your water related problems. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.